हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। होप कि आप लोग स्वस्थ होंगे और मस्त होंगे। इन दिस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस डिटेल अबाउट अ टिपिकल प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल and we will also discuss what are the differences between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. See, this is a diagram of typical prokaryotic cell, that is the bacterial cell. What is the mode of nutrition in bacteria? Bacteria are saprophyte, maybe parasite, mainly. Clear? And some bacteria also are photosynthetic, means they can photosynthesis and can make their own food. Some bacteria are chemoautotrophic, means they oxidize certain organic, inorganic, chemical substance and obtain energy. So in case of bacteria, the mode of nutrition are saprophytic, parasitic, photosynthetic or chemoautotrophic. Clear? What is the shape of the bacteria? So mainly four shapes. That is the cocci. Cocci means spherical or oval structure. Bacillus. Bacillus means rod-like structure. Clear? And spiral means twisted structure, spring-like structure. And vibrio, that means comma-like structure. See, like this. This is the cocci, and this one is the bacillus, rod-like structure, and this one is the comma-like structure, vibrio, and this is the twisted structure, spiral. Clear? So these are the main shapes of the prokaryotic cells. If we consider the size of prokaryotic cell, the size ranges 1 to 10 micrometer. Clear? Average size of prokaryotic cell 1 to 10 micrometer. Clear? See the structure of bacterial cell. See, first protoplasm. All the components of a cell held by the cell membrane known as the protoplasm. So all the things together form the protoplasm. Clear? Next, chromatophore. This is the photosynthetic pigment containing structure which contain the photosynthetic pigment in case of photosynthesizing bacteria. Bacterial photosynthetic pigment like the bacterial viridin, bacteriochlorophyll, etc. See, mesosome. Mesosome is the folding of cell membrane in the form of vesicular tubule, and they are 2 to 4 in number, and they involve in respiration because they contain the respiratory enzymes, and they also helps in replication of DNA and also distribution of chromosomes in the daughter cells. Clear? So these are the mesosomes. Next, oil droplets, protein, glycogen, volutin granules. These are what? These are the food of the prokaryotic cells. Reserve food material or food of the prokaryotic cells. Oil droplets के फॉर्म में, प्रोटीन के फॉर्म में, ग्लाइकोजन के फॉर्म में, वॉल्यूटिन ग्रेन्यूल्स के फॉर्म में रिजर्व फूड या फूड प्रेजेंट होता है प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स के अंदर. नेक्स्ट, glycocalyx, cell wall and cell membrane. These are the cell envelope, that means they make the boundary of the cell. Glycocalyx, it may be present in prokaryotic cell or may be absent. If it is present, it may present in loose sheath form, that means jelly like structure known as the slim layer. जब ये जेली लाइक स्ट्रक्चर के फॉर्म में, लूज शीट के फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होता है तो हम इसको बोलते हैं स्लिम लेयर. और अगर ये टफ, हार्ड, रिजिड फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होता है तो इसको बोलते हैं हम कैप्सूल. सो स्लिम लेयर एंड कैप्सूल आर द फॉर्म्स ऑफ ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स, एंड ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स मे बी प्रेजेंट और मे बी absent in case of prokaryotic cell. It also provide framework to the cell, mechanical support to the cell. Clear? Act as the protective outer membrane. Next, cell wall. In case of prokaryotic cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan in case of eubacteria, modern bacteria. And in case of archaebacteria, cell wall is made up of pseudopeptidoglycan. Clear? And it also provide a frame to the prokaryotic cell, act as a protective covering. If there is no glycocalyx, then outermost covering is the cell wall. If glycocalyx present, then cell wall present below the glycocalyx. Next, cell membrane. All the type of cells contain cell membrane, and cell membrane is mainly made up of phospholipid, and it acts as the framework of the cell, helps in exchange of material from outside to inside and inside to outside. It is mainly made up of phospholipid, means lipid and phosphorus, some amount of protein and carbohydrate. Clear? See, flagella, pili and fimbriae. These structures, these are the cytoplasmic extension. ये कहां से राइज होते हैं? साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ द सेल से राइज होते हैं और सेल के सरफेस पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं. Flagella, pili and fimbriae. Flagella helps in movement and locomotion of the bacterial cells. Pili helps in clinging of bacteria, attachment of bacteria to any substance, any support. And fimbriae helps in attachment to any support, any substance. And pili helps in formation of conjugation tube, helps in reproduction. Clear? So these are the flagella, pili and fimbriae. Next, polysome or polyribosomes. See, this red one is the messenger RNA, mRNA, and on it ribosomes are arranged and form the polysome or polyribosome. And this unit helps in protein synthesis in the protoplasm of prokaryotic cell. Next, this structure, this highly coiled twisted structure, that is the chromatin reticulum or nucleate or incipient nucleus, that we say genophore. See, in case of prokaryotic cell, there is no well developed nucleus. So the nuclear material present in the protoplasm of the cell, and this region of protoplasm is known as, that is the incipient nucleus or nucleoid or genophore. And this is highly coiled network like structure, thread like structure, that is the chromatin reticulum. There is no nuclear membrane, so the chromatin reticulum directly present in the protoplasm of the prokaryotic cell. Next, see, these are the respiratory enzymes located on cell membrane. Clear? And respiratory enzyme also located in mesosome. See, 70 S type of ribosomes. In case of prokaryotic cell, only 70 S type of ribosomes present. This structure is the thylakoid. Thylakoid, that is having the photosynthetic pigment, bacteriochlorophyll, bacterioviridin, and helps in photosynthesis. And this one is the plasmid. What is plasmid, student? It is the extra genetic material of prokaryotic cell. It may be present or it may absent in case of prokaryotic cell. Clear? So these are the different component of a prokaryotic cell. Next, we are going to discuss difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Size. Prokaryotic cells are comparatively smaller in size, that is 1 to 10 micrometer, and eukaryotic cells comparatively larger, that is 5 to 100 micrometer in size. Prokaryotic cells are the undeveloped type of cells, initial cells, that mean primitive type of cells. Here pro means primitive or undeveloped or initial. That means, and karyon means nucleus. So prokaryotic cells do not contain the nucleus, but the genetic material, that is the chromatin reticulum, directly present in the protoplasm of the cell. So the cell is very simple, very primitive. And in case of eukaryotic cell, U means good or developed or advanced, and karyon means nucleus. Means in case of eukaryotic cell, nucleus is well developed. Clear? Having the nuclear membrane, nuclear pore, perinuclear space, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, chromatin reticulum present in the nucleus. So there is the well developed nucleus in case of eukaryotic cell. So eukaryotic cell is advanced cell, well developed cell, and prokaryotic cells are primitive cell, simple type of cell, initial type of cell. See the example: prokaryotic cell, bacteria, archaebacteria, mycoplasma, cyanobacteria. These are the different type of prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells example: protista cells like the amoeba, paramecium, euglena. Fungal cells, okay, plant cells, cell of algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperm. Animal cells, all the animals from the phylum Porifera to the Chordata, means they have the eukaryotic cell, well developed type of cells. Next, in case of prokaryotic cell, the nuclear region is known as the nuclead. Clear? In case of prokaryotic cell, nuclear region is known as nuclead, and in case of eukaryotic cell, well developed nucleus is present. Next, histone protein absent in chromatin reticulum. ये जो क्रोमोसोम है या क्रोमैटिन रेटिकुलम है, इसमें हिस्टोन प्रोटीन absent होता है in case of prokaryotic cell. And in case of eukaryotic cell, chromosome contain histone protein. So histone protein present in eukaryotic cell and absent in prokaryotic cell. In case of prokaryotic cell, 70S type of ribosomes present. In case of eukaryotic cell, both 70S and 80S type ribosome present. 70S type ribosome present in case of mitochondria and chloroplast. Clear? So here in case of eukaryotic cell, 70S and 80S both ribosome present. Next, in case of prokaryotic cell, single circular chromosome present. Only one copy of a chromosome. In case of eukaryotic cell, more than one chromosome present, and they present in paired condition. Clear? So many chromosome present in eukaryotic cell and single chromosome present in prokaryotic cell. सिंगल सर्कुलर फॉर्म में जो क्रोमोसोम है सिंगल, वो सर्कुलर फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होता है इस तरह से कुछ. क्लियर? सो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स आर जेनेटिकली हैप्लॉइड सेल बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग ओनली वन क्रोमोसोम. और यूकैरियोटिक सेल जेनेटिकली क्या होता है? दैट इज द डिप्लॉइड सेल होता है, क्योंकि इसमें पेयर्स के फॉर्म में क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट होते हैं, जैसे 10 पेयर, 20 पेयर, 46 पेयर. क्लियर? और जो यूकैरियोटिक सेल का गैमेट्स होता है, जैसे स्पर्म है, ओवम है, ये हैप्लॉइड होते हैं. ठीक है? प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल डिवाइड्स बाय ए माइटोटिक डिवीजन. ए माइटोटिक डिवीजन में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म एंड क्रोमोसोम कैसा होता है? अनइक्वल होता है इन द डॉटर सेल्स. सो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स डिवाइड बाय ए माइटोटिक डिवीजन. ऑन द अदर हैंड, यूकैरियोटिक सेल डिवाइड बाय माइटोटिक एंड meiosis division. Clear? So meiosis and mitotic division takes place in eukaryotic cell, and in case of prokaryotic cell, amitotic type of division takes place. In prokaryotic cell, flagellar arrangement is not 9+2 types. Clear? 9+2 type pattern का flagellar arrangement नहीं होता है. कहाँ पे? prokaryotic cell में. In case of eukaryotic cell, flagellar arrangement is 9+2 types. Clear? Next, in case of prokaryotic cell, most of the cell organelles are absent. Most of the cell organelles are absent. That means mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, spherosome, centrosome, vacuole, plastids. These are absent. Okay, but in case of eukaryotic cell, all these cell organelles are present. Clear? In prokaryotic cell, plasmid may be present or absent. See this structure. this structure may be present or absent in case of prokaryotic plasmid, but in case of eukaryotic cell, plasmid never present. Next, mesosomes may be present or absent in prokaryotic cell. This structure, mesosome, may be present or absent in case of prokaryotic cell, and in eukaryotic cell, mesosome never present. Vacuoles are absent in prokaryotic cell, and vacuoles are present in eukaryotic cell. In plant cell, in animal cell, other eukaryotic cell, vacuoles are present. Prokaryotic cell reproduce by asexual reproduction. Only asexual reproduction takes place in prokaryotic cell, while in case of eukaryotic cell, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction both takes place. Clear? So asexual and sexual both type of reproduction occurs in eukaryotic cell, and only asexual reproduction takes place in prokaryotic cell. Cell wall. In case of prokaryotic cell, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, that is the murein in case of eubacteria, modern bacteria, and in case of archaebacteria, ancient bacteria, cell wall is made up of pseudopeptidoglycan. Here in case of eukaryotic cell, cell wall is made up of cellulose in case of plant cell, and by chitin in case of fungal cell. So the cell, chemical composition of cell wall of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells vary. Next, respiratory enzymes present in cell membrane. यहाँ पर लोग देख सकते हैं कि जो रेस्पिरेटरी एंजाइम्स है वो सेल मेम्ब्रेन पे लोकेटेड है. क्लियर? इन केस ऑफ प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल. बट इन केस ऑफ यूकैरियोटिक सेल, respiratory enzymes mainly present in mitochondria and also in cytoplasm. ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो रेस्पिरेटरी एंजाइम्स होता है यूकैरियोटिक सेल का वो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में प्रेजेंट होता है, बट इन केस ऑफ प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल it is on the cell membrane and also on the protoplasm. Next, photosynthetic pigments in case of prokaryotic cell present in protoplasm or chlorobium. क्लोरोबियम के अंदर या प्रोटोप्लाज्म में फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट होता है. कहां पे? प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में. एंड यूकैरियोटिक सेल में फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट जैसे कि क्लोरोफिल है, कैरोटीन है, जेंथोफिल है, फाइकोइरिथ्रिन है, फाइकोसाइनिन है, ये सारे फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट क्लोरोप्लास्ट के अंदर प्रेजेंट होते हैं. क्लियर? सो दीज आर द differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells.